Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install the drivers for your copier. Ricoh has rolled out with auto installers for pretty much every model except for the oldest ones. So it's gotten quite a bit easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in Ricoh downloads. You want to make sure that you go to this Ricoh USA website. There are websites that pretend to be Ricoh. They're really hard to find though, unless you're using like kind of a sketchy browser. But if you're using like Windows, Edge, Firefox, or not Windows, but Chrome, Edge, Firefox, any of the normal ones, if you just type in Ricoh downloads, they'll all pretty much immediately pop up this Ricoh USA website. So we'll click on support and downloads. And then here, you're going to type in the model number of your printer. So I think the one that we've got up there is a 4510. It's an IMC 4510 SD. We're going to say IM space C 4510 SD. And there we go. We have the driver for it, so we're just going to download this. And this is only applicable to Windows. The drivers on Mac take a little bit more work. And it's also a little finicky because Apple didn't want to purchase the license agreements from Adobe to use their PostScript software. But Windows did. So you might need an extra card for like all of the PDF fonts and that kind of stuff to work on a Mac. But on Windows, you just, type that in, click agree. We're going to download this PCL6 driver. If for some reason you're still using Windows 7, you'll want to use a PCL5 driver. And this one is not an auto installer. You still have to do this one manually. But if you're on Windows, 10 and newer, I think Windows 8 is also the PCL6 driver. Just going to download that. You're going to open it up. Go ahead and install. Agree and go to next. Next. We'll automatically find it on the network. Just click on next. And then there you go. If you want to change your defaults, it's probably because I already have it installed. But if I go to the control panel, which is the way that I normally like to do it anyways, view devices and printers, and then this one right here, I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to say printing preferences. And here you go. Anything that you change in the control panel here will be your quote unquote default. It's really specific to what application you're using. Like if you're printing from Chrome, it's different from like Adobe and Excel, because a lot of those apps will use their own defaults to kind of override what's in the actual print driver, which is pretty annoying sometimes. But for just like normal documents, any PDFs or anything that's like saved on your computer, if you just want to right click and tell it to print, these will change your defaults for that. You'll just have to, be careful and make sure that you aren't, like if you print off a big document that's supposed to be black and white, make sure that it is set to black and white in whatever application you're using, whether it be Chrome or anything else like that. And yeah, there you go. That one's a quick and easy one.